Instead of the usual way of handling requirements, where you first create a dev-requirements.txt file and add all your development packages, and then create a prod-requirements.txt file by copying the common packages from dev-requirements.txt, adding them to the prod-requirements file, and then adding production-specific packages, there's a much better approach we can use. Today, I'm going to show you how to inherit Python requirements like a pro. Step 1. Create a base-requirements.txt file. This will store all the common packages, the ones shared across development, production, and testing environments. This keeps your project consistent and avoids duplication. Step 2. Create a dev-requirements.txt file. Inherit from the base file first, and then list any development-specific packages. These packages are only used during development, like testing, formatting, and debugging tools. Step 3. Create a prod-requirements.txt file. Again, inherit from the base file first, and then list only the packages needed in production. This keeps your production environment clean and optimized, without unnecessary development tools. When you install, just run pip install -r-dev-requirements.txt or pip install -r-prod-requirements.txt. Pip will automatically install all the packages from the base file, plus any environment-specific ones. And that's it! One clean base file and smart environment-specific requirements. No more messy, duplicated package lists. Inherit your requirements like a pro. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Python productivity hacks.